Hello everyone. So this is for the bonus arithmetic question solution. Shopkeeper makes a net profit of 44% on selling an article at successive discounts of 10%, 20%. Okay. So say the markup price if we take is to be A. Okay. Then he sold. Then he gave discount of 10% means 0.9. Markup factor we have taken as to be A. Okay. Instead of taking A by 1000 or whatever, we have taken it directly to be A. Okay. So A into 0.9 into 10% was discount 0.8, and he makes a profit of 44%. So RHS will be 144. So this will basically be 987 to 2. So this will be 2. So if the markup factor is 2, means this is basically 1 plus 1. So this 1 it means he has marked it above 100%. Okay. So this is he has made the amount twice. So above 100% he has marked. Okay. It is given that if the shopkeeper sells the same article as at 15% discount, what is profit? Okay. So if the markup factor is A and he is selling at 15% discount, so this will effectively be 0.85. So this becomes 1.7, and as said, this 0.7 will be his profit. So 0.7 means 70% is his profit. Done. Question number 1. Now we'll come to this. Arun started a business. Okay. So Arun started a business with this much amount. After 4 months, Varun joined. Okay. So this is Arun. This is Varun. We will take out the simplest ratio because that's what is needed. So 52,000, 39,000. First of all, remove all the 3's, and 52 and 39 we have 13 common. So 13 4 52 and 13 3 39. Okay. At the end of the year, okay, year. So Arun invested for complete time. So basically 12. This is amount invested, and this is time. And basically profit ratio is amount into time until and unless other factors are given. Okay. And Varun came after 4 months, so basically he will invest for 8 months. Okay. Now we'll take the ratio 12 4 48, 8 3 24. So this will become 2:1. So their profit ratio at the end will be 2:1 until and unless any other condition is given, and other condition is given over here. Okay. The condition is that Varun received a total 20,000. Okay. Varun received total 20,000, adding 1/4 of the profit as a commission. Okay. So if we take the total profit to be 4x, okay, so Varun will receive 1/4 for managing the business or whatever you say. Okay. So Varun 1/4 of this will be Varun will receive x, and the remaining amount, this is we have taken 4x as to be total profit. Okay. So now this 3x remaining amount will be distributed in this ratio. Okay. So it means that if this 3x is distributed in this ratio, Arun will get 2x and Varun will get x. Okay. So total amount which Varun got is this x and this x. So total Varun also got effectively 2x, and Arun also got 2x, and it is given that Varun received total 20,000. So if 2x is 20,000, so Varun also received 20,000. So 20,000 is the answer to this question. That's it. Next question is a family. Okay, a family of 4 people consume. Okay, so a family of 4 people consumes a certain quantity of rice. The price of quantity increases. Okay, so initially if we take like total 4 people there, okay, 4 people say they consume 4p rice. Okay, and now it is given that let's suppose the price to be k. This was the price when 4 people consumed, and the amount they spent was k. Okay, now it is given that the price of the rice increases by 12.5%. so effective now the new price will be 1.125 for same amount. Okay, 4p only new price. Okay, for 1.125k. Okay. That day family consumed on day okay, two guests came to visit the family. That day the family consumed the same quantity of rice. Okay, so family will consume 4p only, and while the guest consumed 2/5 of the amount rice consumed by the family. Okay, so guest will consume 2/5 of 4p. This much guest will consume. So this will be the total amount of total amount of rice consumed. Okay, now price will be according to this only. So this basically will be 4 to 8 8 by 5, and this will 28 by 5. Okay, 28p by 5. Okay, this will be the price consumed. Okay, what will be the this will be the rice consumed, and the price will be how much? If 4p is 1.125, then 28p will be how much? It will basically be 1.125. We will use the unitary method upon 4 into 28 by 5. Okay, So this will, after calculating, this will come out to be 1.575. Now you can easily okay, now you can easily spot that the percentage increase is how much? This much, 57.5. So 57.5% increase. Increase was quite obvious. Okay, so this is the answer to this question. Now let's come to the last question. Okay, this question you can easily form equations and solve, but I won't suggest you to do that. You need to do it like this. Okay, if the sum was 10,000 extra, it would fetch 4,000 extra as a simple interest. Okay, so this extra amount 10,000 is fetching you this extra interest 4,000. Okay, and it is given that it was as a simple interest, it was lent at a certain rate of interest for 2 years. So for 2 years is 4,000. So for 1 year it will be 2,000, and the amount invested is 10,000. So easily you can say that interest will be how much? 20%. Easily you can say, because 2,000 is 20% of 10,000, so 20% is the answer to this question. Easily you can, by proportional ratio method, you can easily do it. No need to make equations and solve.